From Plymouth State University, PM Weather with student meteorologist Norman Shippey.
Good evening, Plymouth, and welcome to another edition of PM Weather. I'm student meteorologist Norman Shippey. We're kind of cloudy and dreary all day today, but we are starting to see some clearing start to move through northern New England, and that should hit us tonight. So we see our high today, 54 degrees, and that's right at our normal high of 54. And our low this morning was 47, and that's quite a bit warmer than our normal low of 29. And our precipitation today, we had 0.03 inches, and that helped us keep our low temperature this morning quite a bit warmer than normal. Sun rose this morning at 7:12 a.m. and set this evening at 5:49 p.m. and our moon is at 94% and waxing. Around Plymouth right now, we see 52 degrees outside, 41 degrees for our dew point, and our relative humidity is 66%. Our winds are from the northwest at 4 miles per hour, and our sea level pressure is at 29.91 inches and steady. Around the region right now, we see 36 degrees in Mount Washington, 53 degrees in Concord, and 57 in Boston. As you get down towards Hartford, it's almost 60 degrees down there, 59 right down there. And this area of cloudiness has kind of prevailed all over New England today. But if you look up towards Vermont right now, we start to see some sun starting to peek into northern New England, and that's going to come our way tonight. Around the U.S. right now, a large area of 60s around the nation, and that's cutting all the way up into Canada right now. But on our side of the country, we see 50s in the northeast, 60s and 70s as you get down towards Florida. But look up in Canada here, we see some 40s in Quebec and Ontario, and these are kind of going to get close to us over the next few days. On the surface analysis right now, we see a low pressure system centered over Arkansas and Mississippi, and this is bringing some rain to the Louisiana and Arkansas area. And over here towards Virginia and North Carolina, we have another low pressure system. This one has a cold front draped across Florida, and this other cold front is actually attached to another low that's up in Canada, but it's kind of merged with this low pressure system. This pushed through the other day. It brought us some higher winds and a little bit of precipitation. That's what caused our precipitation this morning. Looking at the western part of our country, we do see an area of high pressure, and that is not helping the fire situation in California. There's no rain to speak of out here, and hopefully over the next few days and towards the weekend, we'll start to see a low pressure system down here and maybe bring them some rain. So on our radar and satellite composite right now, we see this area where the low pressure system is sitting. Some showers and thunderstorms really start to fire up right along the cold front here, bringing some heavy rain in this area. And where this other low pressure system is, you start to see some precipitation right here. Our area, we did clear out today a little bit with at least higher clouds. The lower clouds have hung around, but they'll start to break up as the night goes on, and the precipitation moved out. But look at the west coast, nothing going on out here. Tonight's low temperatures, you can expect to see some 30s and 40s up here in our neck of the woods, possibly in 30s here in Plymouth. It looks like northern New England here, but this could come over us, maybe low 40s. 40s as you go down towards New York, and 50s and 60s as you get down towards Florida. On the west side here, we see 30s in the Pacific Northwest and 40s as you move down the coastline. So tomorrow's high temperatures, we're going to see 50s in our neck of the woods. That is going to be our trend for the next couple days. We'll be in the 50s for highs. We see 60s as you get down towards Pennsylvania, 70s down towards Georgia, and 80s down in southern Florida. And on the western side, the main area of concern is California here, and we do see 80s and 90s again tomorrow. So the hot temperature is not really going to help us diffuse those fires. So tomorrow night's lows, we're going to see 40s and 30s in our neck of the woods. We could hit freezing tomorrow night. 50s as you get down towards the Carolinas, and 60s and 70s down towards Florida. And on the western coast, we see 30s in the Pacific Northwest. Tonight's precipitation, where that low pressure system is, we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms, and also some showers and thunderstorms with the other low pressure system. And that continues into tomorrow. We see some more rain with the low that's sitting over Arkansas, and some more rain with the low over the Carolinas. And then the following day, we see pretty much the same thing, except for it's starting to come closer to us, and we're going to have to worry about some rain. So your PSU forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, chance of showers early, low of 38 degrees, and our winds will be from the northwest at 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, we're going to see clearing after sunrise, crisp and cool, high of 56 and a low of 32, and our winds will be from the northwest at 5 miles per hour. And your extended outlook here, we're going to see Friday mostly cloudy and showers, 57 for a high, 48 for a low. Saturday warmer with showers, high of 61 and a low of 43. And Sunday, morning showers giving way to clearing skies in the afternoon, 55 for a high and 31 for a low. So we here at PM Weather want to know what you think. So visit us at our website at vortex.plymouth.edu/TV. And you can learn all about the student meteorologist here on PM Weather and take our viewer survey. The first 100 households to take our survey will get a free Plymouth State Meteorology sticker, so don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. And thank you for tuning in to PM Weather. Enjoy the rest of your evening.